Today we have a beautiful day in Edinburgh.
Okay, this is going to be a weird one. You're probably thinking, why are you making a paella for Thanksgiving? Have you gone insane? The answer to that is probably yes. But there is a reason why I decided to make paella for Thanksgiving this year. Bear with me. Thanksgiving is not really something I grew up with. I was born in Portugal, I live in Scotland, but during my university I lived in the US, and it was there that I got introduced to this tradition, and I really liked it. The reason why I like Thanksgiving is it's all about food, drinks, family, friends, and all about being grateful for the good things in your life. It's a time for introspection and a time to feel thankful for the ones you love. Even though it's not a big thing here in the UK or in Portugal, I really cherish the memories I have in the US, and I really miss my friends there. So I wanted to prepare something delicious today to celebrate Thanksgiving and all the good things I have in my life, including all the great people that I know and love. Why am I making a paella? Out of all the things, you are quite right. Paella is no turkey. We're living in a really weird year, and we need to really feel grateful for the little things. And in this case, the thing I wanted to avoid today was to be wasteful. I'm yet to order my grocery shops, so I don't have much in the house. Instead of going outside to the shop and get a turkey and all these extra things, I thought I'm gonna see what I have in the house and kind of think of something that I can make. Funny enough, the only things I have in the house are vegetables, fruit. I have frozen seafood. I bought paella rice a couple of months ago to try it. So I start thinking, I mean, I have all the ingredients for a paella. So that's pretty much why I decided to make a paella this year. And it's not just any type of paella, because on top of that, I remember that for some really strange, random, crazy reason, I have squid ink. So I'm gonna be making a squid ink paella for Thanksgiving. Welcome to 2020. First things first, I pretty much just woke up, so I need a coffee. Let's see what we can find to make this paella. Some frozen seafood, we got paella rice, then we got some squid or cuttlefish ink I got from Amazon. We have a lovely selection of organic tomatoes from the Free Company farm. They're beautiful. I almost don't want to use them in the paella. I just want to make a salad with them. But it's the only tomatoes I have, so I'm gonna use them. If you live in Edinburgh, have a look at the Free Company. They have incredible vegetables, incredible pork meat. Really recommend. 10 out of 10. I have these frozen peppers. I don't know. I cannot remember why I have frozen peppers in my freezer. I always cook fresh peppers, so I don't remember. Why do you exist? I don't know. But yeah, but they're going in. The base of every meal I cook. Garlic, onions, and olive oil. I think those are my last ingredients for this paella, and let's see what happens. Probably would use a white onion, but guess what? I'm out of white onions. I only have a red onion, so that's what I'm gonna use. Garlic and onion. Let's go. So we might have a small problem. I don't own a paella pan. I don't know if this will work with any regular pan. I'm gonna assume that it's not gonna be exactly the same. But I mean, we're improvising here. What do you think? I think this is closer to a paella pan, so I'm gonna use this one. I've never made the paella before. I have no idea, but I've watched a couple of YouTube videos, and I think I'm gonna be okay. Today is about, you know, using everything I have, not letting anything go into waste, and you know, make a delicious, fun meal to celebrate Thanksgiving. And I think I'm just gonna have fun with it, and hopefully it'll turn out okay. Please let me know if you have your own paella recipe, if after watching this video you have any tips for me. So let's start. I'm gonna add a bit of oil. I saw it in the YouTube videos that, for instance, if you're using prawns to decorate on top of your paella, you fry them first, but I don't have like big ones. What I'm gonna do is, I have the squid rings, so I'm just gonna fry a couple of them. How many rings do you think I need? I think I'm gonna fry 5, maybe 6. I just remember that in most recipes I saw that people would either use chicken stock or some sort of fish stock, and I do think I have fish stock, so let me see. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to use this as my fish stock. There you go. See, my rings actually shrunk, so I'm gonna add more. Maybe 8. What a crazy year has been. I'm making paella for Thanksgiving. What's next? Sushi for Christmas? That's actually not a bad idea. I really wish I was able to cook for my friends and family, share my food with everyone. But there's a lot of good things as well. We should be grateful that we're healthy. Now that I'm thinking, I don't think peppers go in squid ink paella. I'm trying to remember, because it's one of my favorite paellas, so I'm trying to remember if I ever had it with peppers. I don't think I have. But hey, I needed to use them, so how bad can it be? We'll see. Onions making me emotional. Okay, so I'm going to set aside my squid rings. Oh, can you see them? I'm gonna top up my olive oil a little bit. I'm just gonna put the seafood selection in the bowl. Wow. My onion, my peppers, even though I don't think they go in squid ink paella, but hey, my ingredients in the bowl and in the pan. Thanksgiving really makes me think of my friends in America. I hope they had a good Thanksgiving, even though different. There's ways to celebrate. I miss you guys, and yeah, and better times will come. 2020 just showed us that we can take things for granted, and also make us realize that we should give more and take care of each other. Yeah, I just hope everyone is well, and that in a way or another, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, you found a creative way to do it. I would definitely recommend you to cook the ingredients fresh and not frozen, because there's a lot of water going on here. I'm going to just blend them together in my food processor. Okay, so I have my tomatoes and my garlic, so I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm gonna mix it all together. It smells good. It smells good. It's a good sign. I'm just gonna let it cook maybe for more 10-15 minutes. I'm just gonna follow the same process I have when I'm cooking normal rice. I'm gonna add the paella rice and let it fry for a little bit, and then I'll make a solution with the fish stock and the squid ink, and I'll add it, and then I'll let the rice cook, because apparently you should not touch the rice when you're making paella. I think this is enough. I think I've added around 250 grams of rice, and in their recipe here, they say for 4 servings, you should add 200 grams. So we good. I have some water here. I'm just gonna use one of these sachets. There you go. Ooh. Fishy. Off you go. Ooh, smells like squid. black ink, squid ink. Ew. Ew. One. I'm not gonna add a lot. This is very dense. A little bit of salt. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so now we wait. I'm excited for this. I hope it turns out well. Look at all that mess there. Yeah, I'm gonna clean that now. Also, I completely forgot that I had laundry in the living room. Yeah, that's gonna smell like fish. Oops. It's been probably around 20 minutes, give or take, and I start seeing rice. So I think it's time for us to add our squid rings on top. Okay, it's looking cute, okay. It looks really cute. It really starts looking like a paella. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm probably gonna let it cook for more 10 minutes maybe. It looks like it's cooked. Once you start hearing the frying noise again, it should be done. I'm actually quite happy with the result. It looks like a paella, it smells like a paella. I don't know how it tastes like yet, but we're about to find out. I don't have any lemon, and normally squid ink paella has a bit of lemon on top, but I do have half of a lime that I used last night. So this is my half lime. I'm gonna cut it in small slices and just place it on top once it's ready. Like I said, guys, no waste. Guys, I think my first attempt went pretty good. As a final touch, I'm gonna add a bit of parsley. Oh, it looks so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a really happy Thanksgiving. I hope you also feel like you can celebrate your Thanksgiving in different ways this year. Do not waste food. It's a time to be creative. This year has been challenging, but nevertheless gave us the opportunity to be creative and to find other ways to connect with each other, to show appreciation for the things we have and to feel grateful. So the last thing to do now is to try it. Oh, I'm a bit nervous, not gonna lie. Guys, it's very tasty. Really good. Squid ink paella is my favorite, and I'm just glad that I didn't ruin it. Success! Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.